This video shows how to save recipes to or download recipes from a USB drive using the Converge oven with simple control. Before you begin, make sure the oven is on, but not in a cooking mode. If saving recipes, you will need a USB drive. If you are loading recipes, you will need a USB drive loaded with recipes. To save recipes using the USB drive, do the following. First, touch the menu icon. The menu screen displays. Touch the Settings icon. The General Settings screen displays. Plug the USB drive into the port. Scroll to System Backup and Update. Touch the Download Recipes to USB setting. The oven downloads the recipes onto the USB drive. When the process is complete, the Download Successful screen displays. Touch the check mark to return to the settings screen. The recipes are now saved to the USB drive. To load recipes to the USB drive, touch the Upload Recipes from USB setting. The oven loads the recipe file. When the process is complete, the Recipes Uploaded screen displays. Touch the check mark to return to the settings screen. Remove the USB drive. The recipes are now loaded. For more videos, please visit our website.